Hey, what's going on guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own unique YouTube subscribe link. So when people click on your link, they'll automatically be prompted to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And I'm going to be showing you how you can do this right now in today's video, because if you can actually set this up for yourself, you can gain a lot more subscribers. So let's begin today's video right now. So yeah, like I said, you can gain a lot more subscribers if you have your very own YouTube subscribe link, and you can leverage this to gain a lot more subscribers. So when people click on your special link, they'll automatically be prompted to subscribe to your channel. They either like have to subscribe to you or like literally exit out of YouTube. Like that's how it works. So yeah, let's begin today's video, and I'm going to move my face. So let's put this here. And what you want to do is go to your channel or whatever channel you want to like go to add your subscribe link. So if we go to your channel, which is going to be my channel in this video, you want to go over here, and all you want to do is, it's so simple. It can be like a normal channel URL like that, or you can have like a username. It doesn't really matter. So if we go over here and if we copy this, that's it. Like now your channel, as you can see, you know, subscribe to your channel, you know. There you go, you can see it there right now. It's that simple. All you're gonna do is just add this code. And for example, on this video of mine, if we click here, you can see like, you know, are you sure you want to subscribe to, you know, ImminentHD? You can click on subscribe, or you can click on cancel. And yeah, that's how you can like, you know, implement that subscribe link to your YouTube channel. It's very simple. And yeah, you can do that for all of your channels. You can do this for like, you know, your new channels. I can do this for all my channels as well. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's mini tutorial. I know it wasn't a super long video, but you probably don't need a 10-minute video explaining how to add a YouTube subscribe link. It takes like 2 seconds. Like literally guys, like all you need to do, this code right here is the magic. Like all you gotta do is just add that to your YouTube URL, and you have the YouTube subscribe code on your YouTube channel. So now people who click on that link will subscribe to your channel, and there'll be like a high conversion rate of people subscribing to your channel, which means you get more views, more subscribers, more success, and more everything, right? So if you like today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment any questions you may have below, and subscribe for more tutorials and more guides on how you can gain more subscribers and gain success on YouTube as well. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. And with that being said, thanks for watching today's video, and yeah, peace.